Hi, this is Megan from Lofty View Farm, and this is my mother's corn chowder recipe. Here I am peeling the potatoes in preparation to boil them, and I'm dicing them into bite-sized pieces. I think my mother actually liked to dice them bigger than this, but I dice them smaller. I'm also dicing the onions, and I have cooked bacon, and I have kept the bacon grease set aside to cook the onions in. That's part of the recipe. And you'll see that here. So I fried a whole bunch of bacon. This is bacon grease. And I'm frying the diced onions in the bacon grease. And at the same time, I am boiling potatoes and next to it. And I just added salt and pepper. And I dab off the excessive bacon grease so that it's not in the soup. Here are the potatoes. I strain some of the water off, but I actually keep some of it to add flavor to the broth. It adds a lot of depth. Here I buy 2 things of corn, 2 cans of corn, whole corn, 2 cans of sweet cream style corn, and then 2 cans of evaporated milk. This is a pretty, And then I strain out the liquid out of the canned corn and add it to the soup. And then I add the 2 cans of cream corn and the 2 cans of evaporated milk. And that's what it looks like. And then I crumble the bacon. I make sure it's really crispy. I crumble the bacon into the soup. It looks very good. My mom adds butter. I have another pot of soup next to this because this was overflowing, so some of that butter went over there. And we just mix in the butter, add some more salt and pepper to taste. There's the pepper. And then I just ladle that in, and there's the soup. It's pretty cost effective. I can try and get the cost for people, but I think it lasted us 2 days. Enjoy.